Having trouble making profitable trades while scalping? We've got a strategy that could change that. In this video, we'll walk you through a scalping strategy designed for traders who never give up. Go ahead and open TradingView. Pick a chart or time frame. It is totally up to you. Our strategy is versatile and works with any market you choose. Now get ready to discover an awesome new technique that you can use on TradingView. Alright, let's add the first indicator called corrected QWMA. Here's how to do it step by step. First, head over to the indicator section on TradingView. Look for the search bar and type in corrected QWMA. That's the name of the indicator we're looking for. Click on the indicator from the search results to add it to your chart. You'll now see the corrected QWMA on your chart, but we're not done yet. Now, let's optimize the settings to suit your trading style. Access the settings menu for the corrected QWMA indicator, and we'll walk you through adjusting the parameters to ensure the best results for your strategy. Alright, let me give you a simple breakdown of the corrected QWMA indicator, helping you improving your trading game. Here's what you need to know. The corrected QWMA is a handy tool that automatically generates long and short signals right on your chart. You'll see these signals marked as L for long and S for short, making it super easy to spot potential trade opportunities. But hold on, there's a catch. Sometimes this indicator might give you counter-trend signals which could mess with your strategy. But don't worry, we've got the solution for that. We can use a confirmation tool to filter out these false signals, making your trading more accurate. But before we dive into the second indicator, let me share a cool resource that could boost your trading journey. Check out our Telegram channel, link in the video description, for fantastic trading signals and the chance to connect with other skilled traders. Join the supportive community could take your trading skills to new levels. Now let's get back to the confirmation tool. It is called Maxi VWAP indicator. To add it to the chart, open the indicator section. Give it a click and you'll find the search bar waiting for you and the indicators menu. Type in Maxi VWAP indicator and select it from the results. With the Maxi VWAP indicator, you'll unlock valuable insights into price movements. Now that it's on your chart, let's optimize the Maxi VWAP indicator settings to match your scalping strategy. Find the gear icon beside the indicator's name and click on it, and the settings panel will appear. Alright, now let's dive into the trading rules you need to master. We'll kick things off with the rules for sell trades. Keep in mind, we're aiming to help you boost your trading skills and snag those profits. Here's the game plan. First, look for an S signal from the corrected QWMA indicator. That's your cue to consider a sell trade. Next, check for a confirmation from the MACD indicator. You'll want to see a column below the mid-level and the MACD line hanging out below the mid-level as well. So, once you've got both indicators in agreement, it's go time. Now you can confidently enter that sell trade. But don't forget about safety net. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high or align it with the corrected QWMA indicator lines. As your take profit, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Time to dive into the buy trade rules. Here's the lowdown. First, you'll want to spot the L signal from the corrected QWMA indicator. That's your green light to consider a buy trade. Next, you'll need confirmation from the trusty MACD indicator. Look for a column that's above the mid-level, with the MACD line also chilling above the mid-level. So once both indicators give you the thumbs up, it's time to make your move. Go ahead and enter the buy trade. But remember, to protect your investment, set your stop loss below the recent swing low or line it up with the corrected QWMA indicator lines. And as you take profit, maintain a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And before we sign off, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of MACD indicator in filtering out those pesky counter-trend signals. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how effective it is. By examining examples where the MACD indicator is in action, you'll witness its ability to eliminate false signals. This invaluable tool helps you focus on the trades that truly matter, boosting your chances of success in the fast-paced trading world. And now, before you move on, check out the video recommendation we've handpicked just for you, pumping up on your screen right now. Happy trading!